Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to continue working on part 18 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the last video, we imported this from Revit to Twinmotion. I showed you how to use DataSmith and then how to import it here. And then we added all the materials. We're still going to continue working on this. So right now, what I noticed is I haven't changed this material yet. So let's go to materials and then let's go to stone. And I'm just gonna use this stone and increase the scale. Okay. After that, we have something right here similar to what we have on the other side. So we're gonna use the same material that we have here. So now it's taking shape and it looks much better. I'm not sure if this one's better or if we gray out the trim as well. But it looks like it's much better like this, having the background like that. I'm gonna keep on checking how it looks. In terms of the bounce, I'm gonna change this intensity right here so that we can still see through everything there. And then after that, we can start adding lights. This is a very important step so that it looks nice in our model. And then here, I'm just lining them right there. I'm gonna change the temperature, and then intensity, I want it to be around 5 or 10. Because once we're in Twinmotion, or once we're in Path Tracer, the 300 is gonna be too much. And the best thing here is we can do 1 meter and then 2 of this, knowing that everything is 1 meter. And then after that, we could copy this and put it below. I'm just gonna do it on this side first. Okay, and then now we're gonna copy it here, which is a lot easier because we already know the distance between them. So here we're going to make it every 1 meter and 2 more. And then after that, we're gonna select this one, and then we're gonna add 1, 2, 3, 4 more rows every 1 meter, and then 4 more. So now everything is like that. And then what we can do is we could add 1 of this to add at the back right here. I'm gonna add it on this side first. I'm gonna change this speed to number 3. and then let's add 1 meter, 2 more, and then here we're gonna copy this, then let's add 3 more, and then let's add this one, and then 2 more. Then copy one of them, and let's add it at the top portion. Add one. And then 2 more. Three more right here. Except for this one. Let's just move it right here to change that. So now let's change the speed to number 4 again, so that it's easy for us to navigate, and double check this one. So it's looking good. And then let's start adding some trees. Wondering if that's too much for the space though. You might be able to use it on this part. For the background. And then this one for here. And then some Japanese cedar. See if this one is good enough for the space. It looks like it's too big, but I like the shape. But usually once you change the age, sometimes if you change the age, the shape that you like does it pan out. So matter what, might as well look for a different one. Then here I would like to add something like this one. I like this one to be placed maybe right here. I'm gonna take an image something like here, and this will be a nice addition to that. I'm just placing it nicely to this one. Now at least the reflections is getting nicer, having more of this. And then just populating and then adding it to the correct location would look realistic. This one is too big to that location, so we're going to change it. And then we're going to add in, we're still not yet done with all the trees, but I wanted to add all the cars so that I could gauge the look. And then just keep on adding. Then I want to change the color. Dark gray, and I'm just gonna fix this one here. We could move this one from there, and maybe we could just add one on this side as well. Rotate this 180, or maybe I could just park it inside here. I want to lower the environment. I think it's better to set the same materials. Just for continuity. At least once I create this view right here, there's no white spot on this area. Then I might add a van on this area. Okay. We need to just set material here. Feels like you need to download everything now, because if you notice, some of them are not showing proper material, except for this one. Okay, let's go back to vegetation, and then I want to add some trees around here. That will help with the mirror, so the bounce. And then I believe we did this one already, so it wouldn't let us load again. Anything that we already put, it's gonna be easier. We don't need to wait for that. And we have grass here on this part. Now we have those background that will help for realism. I want to add maybe a tree here. And then if we check, it looks really nice, as you can see. Even the bounce, I want to double check, especially in the mirror. We can see stuff here inside, which will help for realism. Yes, this one's good. And then I just want to lower this just a bit so that we still have enough view from here. Just checking the views that I'm gonna create. I feel like this will be the front view, of course. One isometric I was planning on adding this view right here, but I feel like it's too much. So only here, front, and then maybe on the side right here. I think that's good enough. So we're gonna stop here for now and continue on the next video. Thank you for watching and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.